Hello, my name is Henry Redzikowski, and this will be a video describing the capstone project we were tasked with, that being a semi-automated method for elaborating contiguous and affinal relationships across multiple generations and visualizing them in a spatially optimized form. Essentially, what that means is that we need to create a family tree software that implements a novel way to represent family trees. Our sponsor wanted it to incorporate a collaborative design that allows for semi-automated merging. Additionally, we have to include a lot of web technologies that supports cross-platforming. Some potential processes that we needed to consider at the beginning of our project was what kind of framework that we wanted to use, what kind of tools and processes we wanted to include. One of the considerations that we decided to look at was something called Qt Framework, which is a C++ based framework that is unfortunately inflexible, difficult to develop, and has a lot of licensing issues. Secondly, we decided to look into Electron, which was far more flexible, allowed for web integration, and was very powerful using the D3 library. Additionally, we needed to make sure that our project was website driven and allowed for a lot of web hosting.
Hello, I'm Kyle Petrone, and I'm just going to briefly go over some of the possible results that we were able to come up with. So this is a black box diagram, basically explaining the whole process of how one person's family data gets converted into the family tree and how they can export it. So as you can see, everything that is provided from the user, like their family data, is converted to a JSON. This is really helpful for us because then we can take two JSON files and merge them together, displaying a bigger family tree with two separate family members' information. And next, I'm just going to briefly go over the UI that we decided to come up with. We decided to have a very kind of simple looking design, but it's very user-friendly, so the user knows where everything is on the page. They don't really have to look outside of the web page because everything's just going to be provided for them there. And the middle box is where the family diagram will be displayed. And on the right side is where they'll be able to edit and add new family members. So that basically wraps up the capstone project for Soar All Day. Thank you.